What's going on, guys? I'm back with another video, and I want to talk to you guys about my last night's video that I posted, my previous video. If you haven't watched already, and if you are new to this channel, go back and watch that video and subscribe. I teach you guys anything I have learned in this past 7-8 years that I've been in crypto. I've been into the stock 2 years before that, so almost 9-10 years of experience. All right, so I want you guys to really listen up, and I want you guys to, about my last night's video, I mentioned that if we get to certain price, go watch that if you haven't already. If we get to that price and we stay there for almost a month, I will become bullish. And some people actually came and said, oh, you're becoming bullish now, and you're not there anymore. Yeah, we have already passed 50k. I already mentioned that 50k is not my target. I said before we even get to even $49,000, $48,000 for the first time to this year, actually last year, the first time we actually met, right? Before have that correction, I already said that we will probably go up to $52,000. All right, so I am still on my word. I have not seen anything else being changed, and I'm still on my word. I will become bullish if I see the signs, the real signs. We're not kids, guys, okay? We're not gonna just come and say I'm there and I'm gonna stay there forever. And if my prediction is not gonna work, I'm not gonna even get into market. That's not how it works, guys. You're gonna miss out, and I'm gonna miss out. Everybody is gonna miss out if they're gonna keep being bearish forever, just because their prediction is not gonna be right. And now some of you guys are gonna come and comment because I'm mentioning this. You're gonna think that I am changing my word slowly. I'm not. I am still bearish, and I am still thinking that we're gonna go back down to $12,000. And I'm gonna still have some people come and comment, yeah, the $12,000 is not gonna happen. Guys, we have seen a lot of things happening with like this, okay? We have seen it. I have seen it, guys, in the worst case possible, in the worst way possible. And I want to mention you this also. Sometimes, as I said before, English is not my first language, so I might stutter sometimes. Sometimes I get stuck. Sometimes I use some words like 100 times in one video. Somebody I mentioned actually one of the words I was repeating many times, and I actually notice it, but I can't do anything about it. I'm trying to work on presenting in front of camera, talking for like 10-15 minutes is not easy, guys. Okay, go try and see how it is, especially when it's not in your language. So I'm trying. Okay, I really hope that you understand that. But I'm here to teach you my knowledge. All right, so bear with me if I'm repeating some of the stuff a lot, and I'm not really talking really good in front of the camera. It's okay, I'm learning, so I'm not really being hard on myself. I hope you will not be hard on me either. But in general, so we're here to see the real signs of the market. If we are supposed to be bullish, we should be bullish, and we should not just keep act like a kid and say, no, I want this candy, or I'm gonna keep crying. No, that's not how it works. If you want to make money in this market, guys, you need to look at signs. You need to look at your TA and look at the price action and look at the size of the charts and everything, and the timing of the cycle also. All right, so I am still expecting to have crashes after halving. A lot of you guys think that only we'll have to crash before halving just because we had that COVID-19 crash in 2019 or 20, right? That's not that doesn't have to happen. I made a video a long time ago with the title of Bitcoin crashes before halving every time, something like that. Go watch that. I went through all the cycles before, and I showed that we have crashes before and after. All right, a lot of you guys have heard this a couple of times that I mentioned, but I still see people commenting that, oh, we only have couple months to halving, we're not gonna get to $12,000. We still can go back to 12,000. None of these are financial advice. You guys should know that already. But as I'm saying, it is still possible to even have crashes couple months, even up to 3-4 months after halving, right? Price can recover a lot faster than you think, even if we hit to $12,000. We're gonna have a lot more demands for Bitcoin, guys. We have already ETF. We are having demand for ETF. It's gonna help Bitcoin in long term, but as I said, everything has its own time. We have rallied enough from 15,500 to 50K, 50,500-ish. I think this has been enough for Bitcoin. It has done its rally, bearish bear market rally already. So I am still expecting pullback and correction for Bitcoin. A lot of you guys do not like me using crash, but if it's more than 20-30%, I will call it crash. Or still I will I still like to use crash, okay? Crash because it can wreck a lot of people, these kind of movements, 20-30% of going down. But if you like to only call it correction, go ahead and use that, okay? But in general, we're gonna have a lot of opportunity, guys. As I'm saying, I've been talking to my members. We are buying good coins, and I want you guys to pay attention. I made a video how to find gems, guys. You can do it yourself. It takes time for you to find good coins, but you guys can easily find good coins. We have thousands of coins already, but it's not hard to find. If you actually spend a little bit of time, go through their website, go through their contract address, and go to Dex tool, copy and paste his contract address, and see if there is anything shady in that website. Also, you can look at how many exchanges it has been listed. Not only decentralized, you should actually see centralized exchange as well. The volume is very important. You need to make sure that the coin that you're buying has enough liquidity, it has enough demand for it, and also you want to get into coins very early. You have your seats available for yourself. You buy, you do not have to put too much, so you do not have to risk too much of your money. The earlier you get, the less money you have to invest, and you can have a lot of returns. All right, so this bull market that we're gonna have is gonna make a lot of millionaires, but as long as you guys are not just following some YouTubers that are just talking about the Ethereum, Bitcoin, those large cap coins, I just don't understand how people are just only coming with $1,000, $2,000, even $5,000 and only get into Bitcoin or Ethereum or higher large cap coins and expect thousands of dollars. All right, sorry, I just got a call from my wife. So I really want you, I'm gonna wrap this up. Go watch my video that I made, how to find gem. That is a very good video. You have no idea how you can change your life by considering the things that I mentioned in that video. Go watch that, spend some time, go through some coins, find them, small market caps but high volume and being listed in a lot of exchanges, and their contract address. As long as it's not shady, they're not having too much tax on it, because the coding could be different for any coins. Okay, they can just code it that every transaction you do, you have to do 30% tax on it. So whenever you buy $100 worth of that coin, you're gonna only see $70 in your wallet, because the 30% is gonna go to liquidity or whatever. Okay, so you need to make sure that you check those out also. So a lot of these coins, guys, are waiting for the market to turn bullish, really bullish, and we actually, after we pass all-time high, I am expecting a lot of those altcoins that have been sleeping, and they have really good projects. And as I said, you guys need to go and find those coins. And if you want to join our membership, we talk about a lot of those coins. I talk about a lot of coins. I found Shiba Inu when it was only less than 40 million market cap.